2, 1.
DECARACK!
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 DECARACK! DECARACK! Alright. Instant fail! So this isn't even more no swearing.
You have these lights on.
Alright. He's using the force.
Alright. So new person here.
Woo! Have 2 ornaments.
Ornament. It's made out of glass. Let's see if it breaks.
Alright.
I would have laughed if that broke in half. Just like, oh, come on.
Alright.
Let's get DECARACKING.
Alright.
You want to just get like a paper towel or a plate or something? Or just grab a cutting board.
1, 2, 3.
You get a cutting board? You get a cutting board?
Yeah, we gotta go.
A cutting.
You cutting board. You get the cutting board? No,
His cutting board is cut.
Alright, you
What are we
two.
cutting?
You're cutting you.
Okay.
Owen's cameraman.
It's not the dirty one. You guys are matching!
Cameraman.
Are you gonna do yours?
Can't touch the.
Use the force.
This is the force to
No, I want to go.
Yeah. Hey, got a little something on your nose. Here.
Yeah, I was just falling off.
Hey!
So what?
Where'd my ball go?
I'm just.
It's right.
We can do it every year, and then by the end, we'll have all of our own ornaments.
Oh my god, this is
Ornaments.
Christmas time. Christmas time. Christmas time.
Is it ornaments or ornament?
Don't have my pants all over.
Your pants?
That's what I heard. My pants are all over.
What's your problem?
I lost my pants.
My pants are all over the place.
Honey!
Where are my pants?
Sounded insured.
Where are my pants?
Because I'm pushing. I'm just gonna.
It's supposed to sound like a question. Yakaka. Well, mine just leaves like. Kaka kaka kaka. Mine leaves like.
What the?
Your paintbrush sounds hard.
You sound hot.
I'm in.
It's gonna be like the Grinch threw up all over. I'm pretty sure the Grinch's throw up wouldn't be green. It'd be like.
Your puke isn't green. What is it? Purple?
What?
Mine sucks. Look,
Why does it suck?
Old cheese.
it has too many streaks. You can't, like I
Cheese
want
on
it
it.
to be.
An Alex.
Oh, it's red.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, baby.
There we go.
Oh, your nose fell off.
It's like, ah! My nose fell off when I was a little boy.
I got.
Your nose is still there. It's like, no. My mom told me my nose fell off. Okay, okay.
You playing guitar on your bottle? No. No.
I actually don't know what to do.
Yeah,
I don't know,
orange
just
isn't even
making
a
it
Christmas color.
I got it because of Halloween.
He just bursts out into the crowd from
You don't know what I look like!
he's
That's not my face!
Or it gets the hose again.
Oh, that's a good one.
Isn't that what it says?
I have no idea. I didn't hear that part. All I heard was it puts the lotion on the skin.
I need
It
this to
puts
dry.
the lotion on the skin, or it gets the hose again. What happened?
She's crisping now.
So neat.
Christmas time is here.
I
wanna be a dentist.
You did want to be a dentist?
I know, I was about to say it.
I want to
But
be a
you're not the
dentist
elf.
because all you want is your 2 front teeth.
But he does.
Not fully.
Oh, soon. Soon she'll be.
What do you mean?
Soon he'll kill us.
Oh, like the Green Goblin pumpkin bomb.
Oh, okay.
Just kidding. Oh, hope it's got the best way to do it.
Prostate exam.
Dang, that's so good!
And Adam.
I gotta let this green orb
I
that
didn't know what to say to that.
Alright.
I gotta let this green orb that was dry.
Is he in the picture?
Wow. Everybody's in the picture.
Okay.
I'm calling. I don't have jokes.
Clearly.
I got jokes.
You are a joke.
Now how many times do you look in the mirror and the mirror breaks?
Alright. Yeah, yeah. Alright.
Say, look.
Are you unboxing your helmet? Your ears or whatever?
That is not the way.
This is the way.
You can still see it.
Are you done?
I do not believe I'm done my ball. But add on top.
Betty. Crispy Betty.
Did I scare you?
Is the pumpkin supposed to be like all orange, right? With the green eyes?
What is that?
I don't know. It's a Christmas DECARACK.
Can I see?
Where's the shiny black?
Ow! Guess I gotta redo all mine because I'm just like a freaking pumpkin.
You should have white on. Cameraman.
You know what?
He's wasting all the black paint.
Actually, that's cool.
It's gonna be a black paint ball.
Tablecloth is going to be black.
I have an idea. Oh, that one's empty. Oh, that was empty.
Ta-da!
You done?
Beautiful. Here, you want to use this and you can plot it, and it makes it beautiful.
Beautiful. Where'd the toothbrush go? Oh, there. Did you use this to clean the oven?
Yeah. Gotta reuse, reuse, and recycle.
Reuse, reuse, and recycle?
Yeah. I don't know.
Reuse, reuse, and reuse.
It's
You don't even know, sister.
No. Recycle.
Reuse, reuse, and reuse.
We have read it.
Yeah.
Where?
It's really liquidy.
Oh, shite.
I mean, push.
I can't get
more Halloween.
I want to make it like you can like see the balls just with like one crack.
You Halloweened it.
Looks like you killed a cat and just wrapped it around your ball.
Hey, you did it? You did it? You did it?
Yeah, that kind of looks like Halloween. How are you gonna see the balls?
Here.
How are you gonna see the balls?
How are we gonna let this dry? Oh, nuts.
Do you want some colors?
Those nice brown.
Actually, in olive color.
Olive is like the worst green ever, and they taste gross.
They do. Yeah.
Did it vibrate? Oh my god! Everything just went
Actually,
to
looks
hell.
like you killed someone.
Oh, grab me my ball.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
Oh,
Is this the right charger?
Yeah, I mean it's for my iPad, but it still works.
the other way.
DEI delicious.
I'm not dad.
DELICOUS. Delicious.
cameraman.
Karumana.
Oh yeah, we can't say that word.
Karumana? What is that word? Can you use it in a sentence?
Oh, I stubbed my karumana. It's like, okay, this still doesn't help.
And
What is it?
hurt like hell.
Just imagine the comments someone leaves what
It's
the
like-
definition of karumana is.
It's been like a fucking like nutsack or something like that in Japanese.
You stuffed you.
I stubbed my karumana on the doorknob.
And they'd be
How
like,
dull are you?
they'd be
then?
like, what? Oh, that's what that means? Oh,
There we go.
I thought I was just making up words.
Hey Siri,
It's
define karumana.
Okay, I found this on the web for Define Karumana. Check it out.
No, it says there's no actual definition for what I just said. So we can make up whatever we want.
That's when you smack your nutsack off a door. Oh, karumana! Just karumana! It's like, yep, I did.
I am the karumana man.
Nutsack stubbing off the door handle, man.
But most likely karumana only happens when it's like me and you have elephantitis, blue ballophin stickness.
What is that?
I don't know, it sounds like a lot of different things.
Yeah.
It's sort of elephantitis of the nutsack while having blue balls, and you're sweaty and they're stuck to the side of your leg.
Ew.
Now, if you elephantitis, blue ballophin stickness, karumana, now you've just whacked it off of a doorknob. Or that could be the cure.
True.
Well, just. Oh! Oh, it's all fixed! I'm normal again. That, if you had freaking elephantitis, blue ball sickness.
Blue ballophin stickness.
Oh, God.
You have the crispiest cream of the bunch. We like our Krispy Kremes crispy and creamy in your needle.
Yeah, but the issue is that you turn around and tell me, have you ever had a Krispy Kreme donut?
No.
No.
That be a human being?
Oh, come on! Are you almost done? That's just. Technical difficulties.
Alright, here's my.
No, Dominic!
Or by me?
Yeah, but
End the video?
Alright, there's our finished product.